if you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your PlayStation 5, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your PS5. Go to sound and then select microphone. Ensure that your microphone is set to the correct input device and that the volume is adjusted appropriately. Step 2. Test your headset. Disconnect and reconnect your headset to ensure it's properly connected. If possible, test the headset on another device to confirm that it is functioning correctly. Step 3. Adjust voice chat settings. In the game you are playing, check the voice chat settings. Make sure that voice chat is enabled and that your audio output settings are configured to use your headset. Step 4. Update system software. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software Update. Download and install any available updates. Step 5. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to see if the voice chat works. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any voice chat issues on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.